Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today's recipe is some tiger nut pudding. You're going to love this ankasa. So before we go to the recipe, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg subscribe, click on the notification bell, like and share this video. And so I have my tiger nuts here, and it's 1 cup. Yes, that is 1 cup of my a measuring cup. So 1 cup of this, and then I have rice soaked overnight. Yes, this rice is half cup of my measuring cup. Now if you want your tiger nut pudding to be very thick, then make sure you increase your rice intake. Yes, so I used half cup of the measuring cup, and then I used 1 cup of it. So I've washed both again and added together. I'm going to blend these. Yes, I'm going to blend these. And so after blending, I'm going to strain it. Yes, I'm going to strain it twice. So this is the first straining that I'm doing. So as I said, if you want it thick, you can do it 1 cup, 1 cup tiger nuts, 1 cup rice. But if you don't want it thick or very thick, then you have to reduce the quantity of rice. Okay, so this is the first strain. I'm going to strain it the second time. And so please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. For me, click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Okay, so if it's your first time, thanks for watching. Okay, so we are done straining and I'm going to cook this, but before then I am going to melt my sugar. So we are going to make caramelized sugar syrup. Yes, I'm making this quantity because I will use for my asana. Yes, I have asana recipe there, and so I'll leave the link there for you to watch. And so I'm going to make it more and more dark because of the asana. As for the tiger nut pudding, we will just use a little of it, and so I'm adding hot water to it. Yes, you don't add cold water, it will cake. And so just hot water. Yes, so that when you leave it there on the counter, it will not cake together. And so we are done with the sugar syrup, and now our tiger nuts and rice mixture is on fire. Now you will stir it in one direction till you realize that it is cooking or it has cooked. You don't change the direction, you stir it in one direction, and when you start cooking, you don't stop stirring until you realize that it has taken up, so that it doesn't form any lumps in it. And I decided to use whisk. You can use wooden spatula to do this and it will still be okay, but I find a whisk more comfortable and appropriate because it helps to prevent it from how do you call it, forming any form of lumps. Do you get it? Because while you are stirring, it is also whisking or separate. So it has cooked and taken up, cooked to the point that I want, and I'm adding my sugar syrup to it. Now when we stop stirring, you realize that it will start bubbling up, showing that it has cooked very well. So I decided to add my sugar syrup, and it's not enough. I added 2 tablespoons, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon to it. So as I said, when you put it on fire, you don't stop stirring until you realize that it has formed very well, and you stir in only one direction. And so our tiger nut pudding is ready. When you leave it there to cool, it will thicken up also. I'm adding my sugar to it. Yes, tiger nut pudding, you don't need too much sugar because just a little and it's sweet. Okay, so You are going to allow it to cool down. Yes, so you're going to allow it to cool. So please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So this is it. It has cooled down, and I'm going to serve myself. As I said, if you want it more and more thick, then increase your rice intake. Okay, so added milk to it. You know, tiger nut milk pudding comes with milk. Yes, any milk of your choice. And so this is it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.